Please don't whistle? Oh man. Oh, I wasted money then. Oh well. Right, hey guys, it's Cardo. Now we just reached the second milestone for the YouTube channel. We have finally accomplished 500 subscribers. Now I'm looking at the number right now. It's 507 at the time of recording this video, but still we've reached 500 subscribers. That is just a crazy number for me considering what I've been doing. So like, it's just like if I just think about 507 people in a room, that's just crazy. That's a lot of people willing to watch my content. That's just something I greatly appreciate, that I have such a community willing to engage in the comments section, ask me questions, follow me on my social medias, and engage with me a little bit more. It's just nice to know that I have such a loving community willing to be open to detailing subjects and just other detailing related topics. So I just want to say thank you guys for being there for me. Like, it's just nice to know you guys are there. Like, it's I didn't think I would grow this channel to this point. So I really do look forward to expanding this community a lot further, so that way we're all an engaging community willing to exchange ideas, detailing subjects, and all that sort of stuff. So a really quick channel update. I know I haven't been uploading recently. I've been a little bit busy with family. COVID is still kind of a problem here in my area. So I'm trying to find the appropriate time to record and schedule the video so that way I can upload it accordingly for you guys to enjoy. Don't worry, the video is coming soon, so just give me a little bit more time and I'll have it out there in no time. Hopefully you're all staying safe, because I know this corona thing is kind of affecting everything from just scheduling detailing services, because some people are still trying to be distant socially for safety reasons. Inflation is crazy here in America. It's not fun dealing with gas prices, because it really does affect everything in the supply chain. So hopefully you guys are staying safe and taking care of yourselves when you're doing detailing and all that stuff, especially if you're doing it as a business. There's a lot of risks into that, especially for your family, since you're the one out in the front. So yeah, hopefully you guys are staying safe. If you want to check out any more behind the scenes of my work, follow me on my social medias. I always keep you guys posted and answer questions accordingly if you guys want to know a little bit more about what's been going on. So yeah, thank you very much, everyone. Hope you're all staying safe. Take care. Have a good time.